Hi, my name is Claire Solu-Burd, and I'm a licensed social worker. I currently serve the members of the Senior Center of the Chathams. As a social worker, my focus is on emotional health. I know it won't feel the same, but my hope is that I can reach out to you and work on validating your feelings and fostering connection from the safety of your own home during this time of quarantine. I'm so thankful to have this opportunity to spend some time with you this week. I wanted to check on you and see how you're holding up. Does one day seem to bump into the next without any real rhythm? I often get confused and have to check the calendar. Now, what day is it again? Have you been able to stay connected to your support system of friends, family, neighbors? I know, it's always the same conversation. I miss you. I wish we could be together in person. How's your health? Do you need anything from the store? Have you been anxious about when the state of New Jersey may open? What will it mean? What is the timeline? How will this affect senior citizens? Have you been able to go outside? Whenever the sun peeks out from behind the clouds, I make sure to grab my mask and take a short walk. The rain has kept us in for the past few weeks, but I am hopeful that the month of May will invite us outside again to enjoy nature. I know we are all carrying a lot of questions right now, and I wanted to help give you some tools on how to get through this next week. I would like to spend some time focusing on a concept called mindfulness and discuss ways to enjoy nature in this time of social distancing. So for the next few minutes, I ask you to find a comfortable chair and connect with your mind and your body. Let's take a deep breath together and notice where you may be feeling tension in your body. Let's take another deep breath. And this time, let's send relaxation to those places of tension. First, I would like to introduce you to the concept of mindfulness. According to Webster's dictionary, mindfulness is the practice of maintaining a non-judgmental state of heightened or complete awareness of your thoughts, emotions, or experiences on a moment-to-moment basis. The way I think about it, humans were given 5 senses to experience our world. We often get into our routines and forget to slow down and really live in the moment. I often stand over my coffee maker and anticipate that first sip, smelling the aroma, preparing my cup, and then I get distracted. And before I know it, I drank the whole cup. I never took the time to slow down and be mindful and be present. So as an example, if I were to practice mindfulness while I have my cup of coffee, It might look something like this. I would listen to the sound of the coffee percolating and notice my anticipation. I would look at the dark, rich color of the liquid as it pours into my cup. I would savor the smell of the fresh brew. I would feel the warmth of the mug and notice the heat of the liquid as it traveled into my mouth and down my throat. And of course, I would enjoy the flavor of the taste of the coffee. I invite you this week to try mindfulness as a way to slow down your mind. It will help to relieve the stress you're feeling and bring you to focus on the present moment. The second point I would like to highlight this week is how to enjoy nature in a time of social distancing. I have been connecting with seniors over the phone for the past few weeks. On one of my weekly calls, a woman confessed. She said, "Claire, I live alone and I've been looking outside my window. There is this beautiful cardinal that comes to a tree outside my apartment." I said, "Oh, that sounds amazing." And she said, "Yes, it is amazing, but I'm worried about myself. I have named the bird Red, and I talk to it all day long. And to make matters worse, I've also named the chipmunks and the squirrels." We enjoyed a good chuckle, and I said, "Please don't be worried. You are connecting. You have been forced to slow down your life to the point where you're noticing nature." I think our hectic lives have kept us from enjoying the outdoors. I encourage you to start to invite nature into your life this week. Since I have been saving some money on gas recently, I decided to support a local florist and purchase an arrangement of flowers. I find that I am making time to notice the blooms. I smell the aroma. I touch the petals. I look at the vibrant colors. I've even made some time where I turn off the TV or the music and I open my window and I just listen to the birds outside. So I have a homework assignment for you. I would like for you to combine these two ideas if you are able. I would like for you to try mindfulness and enjoy nature in one of two ways. You can either take a walk or open your window and try the following exercise. I found this suggestion on the internet called mindful walking. It reads, "A mindful walk is an excellent way to clear your mind of clutter and restore your sense of focus. It is also a great excuse to get out into nature. Several studies have shown that taking a break to look at or be in nature can have a rejuvenating effect on your brain, helping you to free your mind when you feel stuck and boosting levels of attention." It says, incorporate mindful walking into your life in as little as 5 to 10 minutes a day by using all of your senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch to bring awareness to your body and your surroundings. And here's how to do it. As you walk or sit, notice how your body feels. Pay attention to how your legs, your feet, and your arms feel with each step you take. Feel the contact of your foot as it touches the ground and the movement of your body as you move into your next step. If you become lost in thought as you continue, use the next moment as an opportunity to start over. Now, using your sense of sight, look around and try to notice every detail. Using your sense of smell, notice any aromas or scents. Are you able to notice any tastes? Can you taste the fresh air? Now, using your sense of touch, notice how the solid earth feels beneath your feet. With openness and curiosity, notice any sensations, thoughts, or feelings as they arise without lingering on anything in particular. And enjoy your mindfulness. So now that we actually have time to stop and smell the roses, let's try that together. I hope this will be a tool in your toolkit as we continue to navigate these challenging times. I hope that we can be there for each other in this virtual space. My intention is to create one short video each week to help provide support and foster connection. I miss seeing you all at the Senior Center and look forward to when we can be together again in person. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm sending you my best wishes.